Hey Gearheads, thanks for tuning in to another episode of What You Working On. This week we have my buddy Steve's 1966 Chevrolet C10 pickup truck. This thing's pretty cool, so let's check it out right after this. What you working on? Hey Gearheads, welcome to another episode of What Are You Working On? This episode is going to be my buddy Steve's 1966 C10. So Steve, tell me about this truck. Where you got it? What's going on with it?
This truck came out of Oklahoma. I got it from my cousin. It was a wreck. I replaced all the front sheet metal on it and started doing mechanical work on it. I've replaced the engine, I've replaced the rear end. Now it's time to do the front suspension.
Nice. And what engine is in it?
Currently has a 350. This thing came stock with a straight 6. It had a 283 in it when I got it. Okay. And what are your plans for it? What do you see when you're done with your vision? This is just a back and forth truck.
Back and forth. You want to make a daily driver. Not many people have these as daily drivers these days. That's pretty cool.
Right.
All right, cool. Well, thanks for bringing it out today. Appreciate you showing it to us.
Thank you.
So that's it for this episode. I thank you for watching. If you like working on these old cars, check out my other videos. And if you would like to be featured on Dan's Garage What You Working On, go ahead and send us an email at DansgarageNC@gmail.com. Until the next video, stay positive and keep on wrenching.